All practice pages and other materials for learning cursive are available at my Teachers Pay Teachers store at www.teacherspayteachers.com/store/Ann-Fosnight. Learning Cursive Lesson 37, Capital H. When comparing printed H to cursive H, we can see they have definite similarities. The biggest difference is the loop for a connector and that it is slanted. Capital H is our third candy cane letter. It is also our second letter where we have to pick up our pencil to start a new part, our second capital letter. Our first was Q. So we make our candy cane over curve slant, and then we move the pencil over a little ways to the top again with a slight curve. We go down to the bottom. We trace up a little way on that curve and then reach over and grab the other side. Let me show you that again. You make your candy cane, you pick up your pencil and move it a little ways over and make a curving line. Trace up, reach over, and grab the other line. The tricky part, I think, is down here where we trace up until we're ready to reach over and grab. We end up with this loop in here. One more time. We have our candy cane, our second leg, trace up, reach across with a loop, and that becomes a connector. As you get ready to complete your capital H practice page, please make sure your desktop is cleared off, that you're sitting up straight, have a proper slant on your paper, and that you've written your name neatly at the top. A capital H is one of our four candy cane letters, N, M, H, and K. It is also one of the letters where you have to pick up your pencil and make your letter in more than one part. We already did that with Q, and the other letters are T, F, K, which is tomorrow, and X. When we look at the model of capital H, we can see the candy cane leg, the slightly curved leg, the trace up and reach across to make the loop. We will train our hand to do those steps correctly. Candy cane, slight curve, trace up, reach across, and have a loop. When you make the second leg of your capital H, you do not want to make it too far away because it makes it very difficult to reach across and make the loop. Too close is also tricky, but it looks better than too far away. So we have an overcurve, slant, and a slant with a slight curve in it, a backwards overcurve into a loop to make a connector. When you've practiced it and you feel ready, you can make your candy cane, pick up your pencil and decide where you want to make your slight curve, trace up, reach over, and make a loop. Capital H is a connecting letter. It connects with a bridge. It is our only capital with a bridge. It reminds us of W and O and B and V. It's the same thing. The bridge becomes the top of the I, and we dot it up above. After you've practiced connecting H, we'll move down to the H names. If you have a name that starts with H, feel free to replace one of these names and write your own. We have Holden, Hillary, Hope, Hadar, Haley, Hugo. Tomorrow we will do a K.